Buying Forex Tester Online is like buying gold because with every new update we'll get new features that will help us out on our trading journey. And just before we start, just let me tell you that we are running a massive discount in December, and just below in the link we've got a really nice discount coupon that you can apply onto the discount, reaching up to a 60% discount on the program. So don't miss this opportunity because we don't know when we're going to repeat this type of discounts. And so you can understand everything clear, this video is going to divide it into one is going to be the new features, and the second part is going to be our quality in life improvements. So let's start off, and the first thing that we've got to mention here and is the major update is our journal. This time our journal, we can add tags, comments, we can add our confidence on each trade and many other things that will help us out when we analyze our strategy. So let's start off with that, and if we click for a new order, basically we'll get our main dashboard, but at the bottom we can see journaling. Here's where the magic happens and where we can basically separate our strategy if we're using different type of models. So say in the smart money we have the A+, the A, the B, the C. Well, we can tag these to later on analyze and see how each entry is performing. So if we come to journaling, we press plus here, we can basically see the confidence that we're having in our trade. So if we got an A+, we're going to put like very high. And on the tags, we can basically add the tags. In this case, I've got pullback and breakout, but obviously because it's my strategy. But here I can say A+, and we'll basically be able to enter that, and then we get A+. So this will be our A+ model. We can write the comment if we've got anything to add on our setup. And the best part as well is that we can take a screenshot just by clicking here. And that screenshot will save in our journal to be able to have a look at it, to just check if we've got to check anything on our setup. So basically we see it here, we can preview it if we want to change anything. And as well, we can come down here and add our checklist. So basically, if we've got an A+, we'll have a longer checklist. If we've got a C, then we'll have a shorter checklist. So if we click on here, we basically see I've got pullback and breakout. If you want to add any checklist, it's really simple. We only need to come to the bar here and click on checklist. So here we can add the checklist, and basically the checklist title like A+, and we can add here whatever we need to add on our setup. So basically like break a structure, market liquidity sweep, etc, etc. Anything that goes in our model, we can include it here, so that way we can trade according to this checklist, and based on this will be our confidence. So any case, that's how we create it. It appears something like this, like with the trend, breaks after 10 pips pullback, or the breakout, breaks price low, breaks round numbers low and high, and it's with the trend. So now we got that, the only thing that we need to is actually open the trade. So let's say I'm going to come here and I'm going to put an A+, I'm going to put very high, there's no comment that I need added, I'm going to take a screenshot of it, and the checklist, let's say I'm going to say it's a pullback. So now I've got this ready, I only need to place the actual order. We can use the limit or stop, however we prefer. And let's say I'm going to add a sell position. So I'm going to place the order, wait for it to hit take profit or stop loss, and there we go. Once it's hit take profit, if we come to journal, we can basically see the tags. It's an A+ with a very high confidence. And the best part is that if we want to check any trade, let's say I want to check the first one that I've made, I just need to click on top, and there I can see all the details that I filled out, and as well I can see the screenshot that I took at the first time. So obviously this helps out a lot to filter our trades based on the setups that we're having. But it doesn't stay here, because now we can filter our trades. Let's say we've got 200, 300 trades and we don't know where our exact trade is. Basically we can add filter and filter it by tag. So just by doing this, I can filter it by A+, apply, and there my A+ trades will appear. Let's say I've only got 20 from 200 trades. They'll all appear here for me to be able to go through them and just check anything that I need to check. But this isn't everything, because we can actually analyze the performance of these tags. So if we come to analytics, we'll be able to see basically that we've got tag analytics. So basically we can see how our A+, A, B, C setup models are performing. So if we come here to like say the breakout tag, I see I have 3 trades and I have a profit factor of 0.82 and a 66% win rate. Meanwhile, the pullback has had no losses, so it's got 100% win rate, and the A+ has got 100% win rate. So this is really good, because say if we've got 1,000 trades divided in different models, we'll have them all breaked out here so we can see which is performing better, and who knows if that B model is performing better than the A+. Another thing that they have added is performance by session, so we can find it right down here, and I can see that basically on the London Silver Bullet I have a 14% win rate, on the European session I have an 85% win rate, and then on the Asian New York Silver Bullet I don't have any trades, but they will appear down here, and as well we can see the average profit of each session, so this will always help us out to decide on what session we should be trading. And this is a really strong key point because a lot of times traders are trading on the wrong session, but with this feature now we won't have that doubt anymore and we'll know exactly on what session we should trade. But it's not all about analytics because we as well have some cool indicators that have been included. If we come to indicators just here above, we can see that in adaptive we have got psychological levels. Psychological levels is what I use in my trading system, so this has made me really happy. And basically we can see that upper levels count basically from the last level it's touching. We'll have 5 above, 5 below. We can add more or less if we want to. And the level step multiplier, in this case in the pound against the dollar, if I leave it at 1, it will count every 100 points or 10 pips. So if I press apply, basically I can see the last round number that has been touched and the round numbers above and below. So obviously this for me is massive because I use this every single day and it helps me speed up my backtest massively. But it's not everything that have been added, because if we come to indicators again, we can search for VRV and we got visible range volume profile. This is a really good indicator as well because we can see where the major volume is stacked. So if we have a look here, we can see that this range here is where most volume has been traded. And this is basically because if we can see here, the price has been ranging on this place quite a lot. So basically we see where most volume is, and this can help us decide our support and resistance. In this case, if we go back in the chart, we'll be able to see more candles, and in that case the volume will be changing around. But in any case, it's a really good indicator to actually select our support and resistance, and in my case it can help me out basically with my round numbers because I can see that these round numbers here have a coincidence with a higher volume in the market. So obviously every confirmation that I can add will always help out. And another cool feature that they've added is that, let's say you're trading or you're basically practicing your strategy and you want to add some changes just to see how it performs. What we can do now is we can come basically down here to our journal and select any trade to use as a checkpoint. If I click on here, basically I can open the order and it will take me back to that trade. And what this will do is that I can do some modifications, see how it performs, and if I don't like it, I can just revert to save, or if I do like it, I can duplicate the project to continue with this backtest. But in any case, I can try out different models to see if it works better or not, and if it doesn't, I can just revert to save, and this will basically take me just where I was, so I don't lose my entire backtest, and I don't have to order another project just to see if this model or that model works. And for the cherry on the top, we have a new feature that if we come to indicators, we can see candlestick patterns. Basically what this will do is show us the candlestick patterns that we've added. So let's say if I want to work with engulfing bars, I just have to click on and apply, and they'll see all the engulfing patterns that turn on the chart. This is really helpful and it's a huge improvement in terms of quality of life because we don't have to search manually for our engulfing patterns, and it will be a lot easier to find. And as we can see, there are loads of different patterns that we can use. The most famous ones are here, and even some patterns that you didn't know you can start testing because basically it will show you how it works. And the best part is that all these features basically are completely free because you've already got the program. But let's move forward with some more quality of life stuff that we can find here. If we click on the right, we basically can see the auto follow chart and the offset. If you're a trader like me, you hate seeing the chart right at the end. I personally always like to have it right in the middle because for some reason it gives me a better perspective. So what I can do now is basically click on here. I can either add the auto follow for the chart to basically follow while you're trading, and as well I can change the offset. If I come here to settings, I can see the right offset. Depending on how much distance I want, I can add more or less. So if I add less, obviously the price will stay right at the end, but like me personally, I always like to have it right at the end so I can see more in front of the chart. So if I leave it like that, basically now I can have the chart in the middle and the price will always be around here. Another cool feature that they've added is basically to set the risk. if I come here on plus, I can basically set a fixed risk on my trade. So the most usual risk, like 0.3, 0.5, 1% or 2%. Basically, I can just click on here and I don't have to enter it manually. And obviously it saves just a little bit of time. Another thing that we can change is that if we place the order, normally we'll always see our orders on this side, but now we can move them across. The only thing we need to do is come to settings, come to chart settings, scroll down, and you'll be able to see order and position alignment. What we can do now, right now it's on the left, we can put it on the right. And to do this, the only thing we need to do is come to settings, go to chart settings, scroll down, and we'll be able to see order and position alignment. And we can change it wherever we prefer. Me personally, I always like to leave it in the center so it's near the actual candle. So just a bit of quality of life down here. And as last but not least, they've added a really cool feature that we can actually share our projects with our personal notes. So let's say I'm trading the same strategy as a friend, and I want to show some different aspects of the strategy, or why I would change this or change that. Basically, I can add the notes on my chart, and when I come here to share project, we can see share with homework. So basically I'll be sharing exactly the notes that I've written down, so you can see exactly what I'm seeing when I'm sharing it. And this helps a lot, especially when you are working with a team to actually build a strategy. And these are all the cool features that Forex Tester Online has implemented in this new update. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you have loved these features as much as me. Don't forget to go down to the link to get your discount coupon, because just now in December, like I said, we're having a massive discount. So don't let this go. I hope you're all good. My name is Jack, and I'll see you next time.